Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make some simple and easy jerk chicken. Okay guys, just to let you know, I am not Jamaican by any means, but this is just my recipe that my family really enjoys. It's very easy to make, very simple. Only thing I would add to this recipe is peppers and onions, but my household is not like them. I'm starting off with some whole chicken wings. And I get these from my local supermarket, and these are all the seasonings we're going to be using today. But first things first, you have to wash your chicken off. I wash my chicken off with vinegar and lemon juice. So that's what you see me doing here. Just washing it off. We're going to start off with the all-purpose Grace seasoning. And I'm sorry guys, I don't have the measurements. I just eyeball it. And that is Flavor Guard's Jamaican jerk seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and Montreal chicken seasoning. That is my favorite. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. This is what I mean by eyeballing it. I don't have the measurements, but just check it out. And I do add a little chives in there, even though they don't like onions and peppers. Just a smidget, not a lot. So as you can see, I'm just mixing up the chicken, getting the seasonings all into the chicken. Once I flip everything over, I do season the chicken again with the same exact seasonings. And I mix everything all up, making sure that the chicken is nice and flavored. Nice and Okay. So the next thing that you guys want to do, you want to put some of this browning seasoning on there. This is from Grace. And this is going to give you that color that you're looking for the jerk chicken. So as you can see, I added some and I'm mixing it all in. I'm trying to flip everything over to make sure every piece is covered with the browning. And then I may add just a tad bit more. Look at it. That looks so good. It looks so good. Next, we're going to make our sauce. So I put this chimichurri sauce in there, some jerk sauce, like only 1 tablespoon though of the jerk sauce. And I add the jerk barbecue sauce. I love this stuff. Now, if you wanted to, you could just season the chicken and then put the jerk barbecue sauce on there. I also add a little bit of the light brown sugar, only to give it like that sweet heat type of taste. And I do add some honey. Oh my God, I put honey in everything. I don't know. It's just so good. And then you're going to just mix it all up. And you're going to taste as you go. I like it more sweet. So that's why I'm adding a little more honey. And it's up to you. It's up to your discretion. You don't have to make it sweet. You don't have to use honey. It's really up to you, honestly. But this is how we make it here. As you can see, I'm adding a little more brown sugar. Obviously, it probably wasn't sweet enough yet, but it is still going to have a spicy kick to it as well. And then you're just going to pour the sauce all over the chicken, and you're just going to work it in there. Make sure every piece has some sauce on it. So just stir it on up, mix it up. And what I normally like to do, I let my chicken marinate for at least a day, but you don't have to do a full day. You can do maybe like an hour, 2 hours. But in order for that chicken to get full of flavor, I do let mine marinate for about an hour. Also, I do put my sauce to the side just so after I'm cooking it, I'm going to brush some of the sauce on top. I'm setting my oven, not my oven, that's an air fryer. I'm setting my air fryer to the wing setting. It's on 400, and as you can see, I placed the chicken on a rack and I let it cook for about 20-25 minutes. As you can see, that's how it looks. It looks like jerk chicken, honey. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, I wish I still ate meat. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe. Bye.